Scout, did you say hi to all our new friends? You guys, Scout got groomed yesterday. Doesn't she look so pretty? Oh. Welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and this is Scout. And she likes lizards and sleeping. We are in a room that you have not seen before. Well, you saw it when I did the empty house tour. This is gonna be the office den. We've got a good space room. However, the only access to the backyard inside the house is through this bedroom, which is kind of weird. But that's about it. I'm really excited to show you this room. This has kind of become one of my favorite spaces because it's equal parts cozy by Scout. It's also kind of like my space to get ready in the morning, and it's super organized now, which I love. So what exactly is this room? Well, this is an extra bedroom in our house, which is also called a flex room. Okay, I wanna know if you guys know what a flex room is before I explain it. So if you do, if you have any guesses, why don't you leave your comments below? And then also the next few videos we have coming, I am so excited about. We've been working on them for a while. It's gonna be our living room and also our outdoor area. It's gonna be coming up in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Live Your Style fam. And give this video a thumbs up because it means so much to me when you do. Let's jump into today's video. Okay, first things first, what the heck is a flex room? Well, I can tell you it's a thing. I researched it. It's basically an extra bedroom. It's a room that can fit your needs depending on where you're at and what life stage you're in. So it could be a room that serves as a nursery. It could become a bedroom when your kids grow up. It could become your office when your kids move out. It could be a workout space. It could be a closet. It could be all kinds of things. But basically the whole point of it is don't just let 7 extra bedrooms, which I don't have 7, that was a huge exaggeration. But in the event that you have that many, even if you just have 1 extra bedroom, don't let it sit and be wasted and try to utilize the square footage and just make the most out of the space that you're paying for, that you have in your home, and really start to enjoy it and love it. The second thing you wanna do is you wanna think about your needs. What is it in your home that you're missing? Like what kind of room are you missing that could really best serve your own needs and what it is that could really make like your life better? So do you need more storage space for a closet? Do you need a place that you could just get away from the kids and you could just be by yourself? And obviously this room changes. So your needs are gonna change, the room can change. I know for us, we don't have kids yet. So we have an extra bedroom that I can make into a different miscellaneous purposed room that serves the needs we have today. And one day when we do have kids, this room could change into a nursery, or it could become a workout room, or it could become like a playroom where I store all the toys. Like just really think about what is it that could really benefit us in having a bigger extra place to store stuff, and then make sure you use it. The other thing you guys can think about when you're picking this room is where is this room located? Is it in the attic? Is it in the basement? Is it next to a bathroom? If it's next to a bathroom, that could be a really great place as a guest room. They could go to the bathroom easily. It wouldn't be this whole thing where they have to walk in and out of doors and upstairs and around the corner in a towel. That could be weird. But if it's not that close to a bathroom, maybe it's a really great way for you to get away and really focus if you are studying for something, or you like to read, or you work and you just need a place where you can just like zone in and not be distracted. Really take into account where the location of this space is, and that'll help you decide what it should be. This specific space ended up being our flex room because, as you can tell behind me, there's a door, and I don't know if you can see, but there's like another door over here, and it's a walkway right here. It's the only door to our backyard from inside the house without having to go around the house. Kind of weird. It's an older house. They have these weird little character quirks that are kind of fun, except it would be weird to make this space a guest room because if someone was staying here and we needed to let Scout out, we'd have to like go into their room to get to the backyard. And we just decided that wouldn't be the most ideal. So this space became kind of my office, closet, relaxation, organization zone. Perfect for me, don't you think? Number 3, invest in multifunctional furniture, but also cohesive furniture for this flex room. This could be a room that kind of becomes a catch-all if you don't have much of a budget to get anything new in here. If you are looking to purchase something to service a need in this space, like for me, you You guys know I used to have a desk that I had at my old place, but it was way too deep and it wasn't really the style anymore. So I just repurposed it for another room. Also, the legs of the other desk were made out of like distressed metal and it was kind of rusting because we used to live at the beach and I used to keep the windows open and then the salt and it eroded and long story. So now it's gonna be a garage kind of workbench, which I think will be great. And here I went to IKEA. I tried to find something budget friendly. This is a perfect desk for this space. It also, in the future, if we need to make this room something different, we could put this table in like the entryway, or it could go in a guest room, or it could go actually in our bedroom and it could be like a vanity. We have my IKEA PAX wardrobe system behind you. And as you guys know, I've had those at the last place. We reuse them in this place. We do have a lot of closet storage in this house. I could always use them in the garage as extra storage, or I could use them in a future kitchen as a pantry and just switch out the inside shelving, go to IKEA and get new shelves or whatever. It won't be a loss is kind of the point. Like you can reuse this stuff in another room because the whole point of a flex room is for it to be flexible and for it to change. And if you want it to change, you gotta be willing to move stuff in and out. By the way, did you guys notice my very flexible clock? It found a new home, just like the bowl. I'm keeping my roots with me. Guys, I wanna show you a pillow. It's gonna be in a giveaway, but I got it at Market, which is trade only. And I got like 6 of them. So I'm gonna either sell a few like specialty from this video, or I'm gonna give them away in my Instagram giveaway. So you wanna make sure you go follow on Instagram, that way you guys can enter to win. Number 4, add in different elements that will enhance what you're using the room for. So for me, like I said, I'm using the space as my closet. I'm also using it as my office and as just like a place that's relaxing. I can see outside to our backyard if I let Scout out. It's just kind of like a cozy, serene little room in this little corner. So I put this really cozy wool rug in this space. This is from Article. It is so soft and it looks so beautiful. It feels so beautiful. It just is so beautiful. I really think it makes this space just feel like extra luxurious and cozy. I also have a little sofa in here. This is also from Article. It's the exact same sofa as what we have in our living room, but it's cloth. And I really love this ivory. It's not just flat, you know, it has like a couple variations of gray. It's extremely comfortable and it's a perfect little size to fill up this wall. This is a beautiful print that I got from Minted. It just kind of like paints this very serene and relaxing environment in here, which I really love. And remember, as you guys know, I've been pointing out that Minted and Article, they both have been partnering with us to help us kind of bring this house to home series to life. So everything that you guys see in these videos, I have linked down below. You guys can check them out. And what I love about Article, I know I've said this before, but their stuff is really cohesive, even though it's not necessarily like all matchy-matchy as far as like the material. Even if you have furnished pieces from different collections of theirs, everything looks really good together and really intentional, which is what I love. If you guys haven't seen the cohesive video on how to make your home cohesive, I uploaded that a few weeks ago and it turned out really good. So make sure you guys take a look at that and check it out. I will link it below. But one of the other things that I put in here, obviously, that really is an added detail, a couple things that really add to the space and what I'm using it for. I have a new little desk over here. It just fits the space a lot better and it was really budget friendly. And then I got the chair. It's not a like set, but I think it goes really well with it. And then I added a new mirror. You guys know I used to have that big chunky black mirror in our bedroom and I feel like it was just too big and dark for this space. Everything, the direction I'm going with this house is very light and bright and like really light colored woods. So I wanted to get a mirror that didn't really take up so much space, a little bit more minimalist. And then obviously my wardrobes. Those are a big piece of making this room function the way I want it to. And then in this closet, I'm gonna show you guys in point number 5, some of the fun stuff I did in organizing it, because we all know it's fun to organize when you make the time to do it. And if you guys wanna see Tyler's little self-care room, he has his own little room dedicated to just him. It was his vision. He really wanted it. It worked. It looks beautiful. If you wanna see what it looks like, and where it is. You're probably wondering where it is because I've showed you a lot of the rooms already. Comment below and let me know. And if I get enough people saying they want to see it, then maybe we'll show you. Okay, let's get to point number 5. Number 5, organize your miscellaneous things in your flex room. So a flex room should be also a place that you neatly have a lot of really great organization. It may be a space that you can organize some of those extra household supplies or office supplies or kids' toys if you have the option to in a big closet in that room. I would highly recommend that you guys spend a weekend just getting that special space organized, because it just makes you feel better and it looks really pretty. I get a lot of my organization aids at IKEA because it is a really inexpensive place to get them, and they oftentimes look really cute. They have really minimalist kind of Scandinavian style things that I really like for organization bins. I got a shelf unit, and then I also got some actual containers, and then I used a label maker to identify what's in what box and what bin. But it also just gives me the flexibility to have things in the house that I may not need every single day, but I use often enough that I don't want to have to go all the way to the garage to get stuff out of storage or out of the organization set up in there. So yeah, I really enjoy having like my random letters for my letterboard, or like markers for a whiteboard if I want to update my calendars, or extra batteries, right? Like batteries you always need, and sometimes you won't have to go out to the garage and do that whole thing. For us, our garage is not attached to the house, so it is a little bit more of like a commitment. You have to go outside and then open up the garage, and it's like a thing. So it's like going to the gym. When you go and get cute workout clothes, you're more encouraged to go work out, right? Well, if you get cute organization bins, you're more encouraged to actually organize it, and it looks really good and it's fun doing it. Grab your label maker, get some bins, and get to organizing. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode of House to Home, and I hope you guys have been enjoying this whole series. I know that I have. It's been so fun just to share with you our journey of making this foreign house become a very familiar home that we love. So leave me your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you don't follow on Instagram, head over to @Sharrah because we do giveaways every month, and I'm announcing today, which will be like 2 weeks ago by the time you see this, about the giveaway for this month's giveaway, and it's really good. Go check it out. Also, if you guys haven't seen the kitchen video we just did, you want to, because the transformation that we just had on our kitchen countertops, we're renting, it was a really, really, really great fix. So if you haven't seen that, go watch it. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.